Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on TikTok. So first of all, open TikTok account, go to the profile, edit profile. Now not shown here to changing birthday. Tap onto three line, settings and privacy, and same to here, not provide TikTok to changing birthday option. So now I'm showing how to change birthday. So first time go to report a problem. After that, account and profile. Editing profile. Other. Scroll down. Need more help. And type here to your problem in details and click on submit. Then TikTok team contact to you and customize your birthday. So this is the on and only way to do this. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.